Left. Okay, left is left. So press. Left and left is press. Left and left, so 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 press.
Good morning, how are you?
Yes.
To the right, guys.
Get to the right, guys.
Slow.
No.
Oh, well done. Few of them is their first time. Oh, jolly good.
Hello, folks.
Have a good day.
Enjoy your day.
Thank you. Go city.
When you have it like if you book this like a year before or 6 months before, you only pay more when you book it last minute. They have one open. Huh?
I know you to book something else, right?
Those are like doors, yeah. That's nice. Yeah, that's very nice. Let's go. You guys see when you can take vacation.
On my vacation only in August.
Who knows when we're doing August?
Oh, no, we could do it before because I could take my vacation. I only picked August because
With his birthday.
I didn't, yeah.
So next you do it for Victoria is July.
I didn't know.
Look how he's walking.
All right?
You just gotta get used to it.
Not like this tonight. We went to Puerto Rico. We did the rainforest.
You fixing your eyes? How do you fix your eyes?
So out of breath and so tired. We had to stop for the end. We made it almost to the end. So we had to stop for a while.
You gotta do application.
I'm tired every day.
Don't start.
I know, man.
You just stay by yourself when we go.
We got water.
But move close, you take this.
Water.
When the kids in the school, you can
Ay, Dios mío.
Yeah, go pee here.
What?
I got a cup, you want it?
Ethan has to use the potty.
Daddy's gonna use it to fish. Daddy's gonna use it to fish.
Daddy, don't use my salamander for fish.
What?
I already got the worm.
I'm gonna throw it in the taco.
No, I think you're gonna use it to fish.
No, I was gonna put it in the tacos tonight.
You should take it back to home.
You can take it home.
No, she can't.
Why?
I can't. It's a little lizard.
You can feed it. You can feed it to Sonic.
No, that's not happening. No, that's not happening.
There we go. Good lawyer here, Joanna.
This is my second time. And when it grows up, you're
Sounds
getting
like teenagers, bro.
They do.
God.
That's what that fucking YouTube.
Look at this not going no bigger than food.
There was no social media and internet, that's why we didn't know how to get there. That's what I'm saying. These kids was outside playing tag, kick the can, hopscotch, double dutch, handball. Yeah.
Ghetto soccer.
That's why so many kids are overweight.
Look at that cute dog.
Lack of exercise. Like, yeah, I remember when me and Marty and everybody, we went hiking. You know? Trailer. Mm-hmm.
Oh, my watch said my exercise goal was achieved. 1,000 steps. My watch just told me my exercise goal was achieved.
Every
Okay, that
1,000
means I
steps?
What's your goal for the day?
Every 1,000 steps, you lose 1 pound.
Mine is 6,000.
Yeah, look, I did 94.81. My goal, I think, is like 1,500.
Ita, on the phone,
I'm sorry.
my goal is like 6,000.
15,000.
Every
This is
time you
it.
walk 1,000 steps, it's 1 pound you lost.
I burned 1,484 calories.
2,000, 3,000 is three.
Look, see,
I
Ma?
don't know what my goal was.
And my heart rate is at 84. 1,484. When I wear this at work sometimes,
Cups, right? You know, with the cups right here. I will go, just move on.
you walk around too, yeah. So, you know, you don't
He just caught him, doesn't mean he's not dead. He needs to breathe.
They need air, they need leaves and grass and all that.
I'm gonna put the grass.
All right, but maybe it's too
No,
late.
no, grab the thing with your hand. I don't know what's down here. Are you crazy? Somebody could have picked something here, something you crazy. No, she's crazy. She's not picking up no more.
Leave me alone.
Yeah, the dog peed.
Shut up.
No, the lady will hold the dog, baby. He peed here.
Gotta walk slow through here. Careful, middle. Muddy there, walk slow.
What happened? Muddy.
Muddy, walk easy.
Okay, walk slow, walk slow, walk slow. Walk slow, walk slow.
Right here.
Easy. You're Slip. Your name is Slippy Slop. I know you. It's Slippy Slop.
Just don't put it in your mouth, okay?
Can I have hand sanitizer?
Tú no sabes que tocó las hojas.
Here you go. You want hand sanitizer?
It says rub it before it's full.
Are you recording?
Uh-huh.
We're
tired.
the bars now. No more Alice in
Off
Wonderland.
the seas or wizard.
He said, imagine a lion come out.
He's got to mess with my
Fucking
imagination.
Tin Man and the Scarecrow.
Yeah.
That movie scares me.
Lions, tigers,
Why?
and bears.
That rich.
I love Wizard of Oz.
Lion, Tiger, and Marisol.
And the witch come.
Her freaking monkey, whatever the hell. What was the name of her monkey? What was the name of her monkey?
Jessica, I put this on YouTube. I want to see the comments you're gonna get.
I thought it was a
Do
hyena.
you edit your videos?
I don't know. My laptop won't let me have an edit software. Cause I gotta get like a Mac or like Dell. If I got a computer, cause I have a Chromebook, and it won't let you download it. It's saying this computer's not available for this software. So I gotta go on YouTube Studio and just put it like that. Cause does Vicky's do it or no?
I do everything through my phone.
You add it?
Yeah.
How?
There's apps to edit.
What app is it? You know?
Walk easy, walk easy, walk easy.
Oh, I got a better one, Jumanji.
Oh my god.
Jumanji.
But I had the app from the
InShot.
tab.
What I use.
Was it InShot?
That's why I used to do my videos for my cakes and stuff.
Oh really? It's free?
For video, yeah.
Oh.
I don't pay for that.
So just
If you
later,
could
I don't have
share it to
service
your
now.
phone. This is your phone?
Yeah, my cell phone.
Yeah. I'll show you.
Yeah, let me come back. Yeah.
I use crop.
Cause I only have the app right from the camera, but it don't really do nothing down my camera I bought. It's just an app. I didn't know they had it for the phone. And it comes out good.
Yeah, you can put like 3 videos together. You can speed
Oh, so
it
you
up.
could cut it and stuff.
You can put music if you don't want to hear the voices.
You could put pictures too.
Yeah.
Oh, that has everything. I didn't know that. Oh wow.
Jessica's got the fun.
But Jessica, a lot of them
I
was
don't have it.
a lot of the
No, I
soft.
got my period.
A lot of softwares on computers, they want you to pay sometimes.
Oh, yeah, you think about it.
Like, that's why I didn't know. Vicky don't do it no more. Vlogging, Vicky, she used to do it.
I don't know how
So
to
you
do
don't go
that.
in there, so you don't go in your legs.
pee-pee funnel?
Yeah, it's for women. And it's pink.
Want to sit on my shoulder?